Are you working on uploading your shorts from your laptop and you're seeing it's not allowing you to put your cover page on it? There's a message on YouTube that says you can change the thumbnail on YouTube mobile app. So I tried doing that, and I believe I did it in the past like that, but for some reason, even after it was uploaded, I feel like I was able to change the cover. But this round it didn't do that, and it didn't allow me to edit. So now I'm about to re-upload this same video I just uploaded, and this is a step that I'm taking. Like I said, I uploaded it on my laptop, then I came to my YouTube video before I finished finalizing it. I made sure not to do that. And when I click on here, when I went to my videos to edit my videos on the phone, it says draft. So I said, all right, well, I'm going to press these three little buttons, three little dots, and I clicked edit. Then there's this, let me do a little pointer here. This little pencil looking thing is there. When you click on that, when you click on that, after I downloaded my CapCut video, I did do a cover page. And so now I see it's visible, and I don't know why they didn't just do that to begin with, but whatever, here we are. That's my little pointer to you all. I hope this helps, and go have a great day.